Hey guys, my name is Ekjot Singh and today we're going to be unboxing the Sony A7IV. So I just got this in the mail like today morning and I've been looking for this for a while and I found this on Best Buy like a week ago and there was one or two in stock, so I just bought it and now it's here. So this is the box you're getting. Let's take a look inside. So you got your paperwork. Probably don't need that. Okay. Pretty nice strap here. It looks like leather. You got something in this package. It is so you got your USB-C to USB-A cable, and then you got something else here. So I think this is a battery. Yep, this is your Sony battery. And this is, okay, you get a charging brick. So that's nice. And lastly, you got the camera itself. So that is your camera, flippy screen. And actually my first full frame camera, so that's pretty cool. Nice to have. So let's just pop up my Sigma 24-70 2.8 lens on it. I will say that's a pretty heavy lens, but that's a video for another time. Make sure to subscribe for that. So let's just put in the battery in that. I'm also kind of disappointed that there's not a separate battery charger. There's only a USB-C cable. It would be helpful if I had more than one batteries to have a separate battery charger. So the battery's actually dead. Not sure what I would think about that. I kind of wish it came charged out of the box, but I'm going to charge it and then I'll be back in a couple of minutes.
8:01 p.m.
So it's been a few hours and I got this charged, so let's start off with the settings. So first we get our language settings, and this. So now it's telling me to register my smartphone, and my phone's up there, so it's gonna take a minute. So quick note from me in the future, since I forgot to add this in the video. Enjoy this time lapse of me struggling to set up the application and connect it to the camera. And number two, make sure to like and subscribe, since that's what all the big YouTubers say. So now I'm all set up with the camera and now I could actually take pictures with it, the main reason I would buy it. And I'll be back in a couple of minutes and show you what I got. Okay, so I'm back and I have a few thoughts. So my first thought is this camera is built like a tank, man. Like, coming from my GH4, which is old technology at this point, this camera might seem small compared to other cameras, but if you're like me and you're coming from a GH4 or GH5 or any other crop sensor camera, this camera is built like a tank. Secondly, there's some things that I just love about it, like the amount of buttons compared to like my older camera, and even the dial above that's for photo, video, and slow motion. I really love that, and something a lot of people didn't talk about was the lock on it too. I think that's really helpful for a lot of hybrid shooters that would buy this camera. Aside from that, the actual image quality is pretty sick too. Like, it's my first time actually owning a full frame mirrorless camera. Like, I've worked with a lot of A7S3s work. Well, like actually owning it and taking pictures with it, the image quality is really nice. Now, something I didn't like was the weight of the camera. Like I mentioned, it is built like a tank, but it is quite heavy, especially coming from a crop sensor camera. I guess that is one of the downsides of having a bigger and better camera, but I guess I'll take it because I'll get used to it. But it definitely is a downside, especially if you're using a gimbal or traveling with this camera, and especially combined with the why am I saying especially so many times? With a Sigma 24 to 70 lens that's built also like a tank, um, you're gonna have a really hard time carrying it around everywhere, and it's pretty heavy. Aside from that, this isn't my full review. It's just my initial impressions, and you'll get a full review in a couple of weeks when I fully test it out and really get to know what I like and don't like. But I guess that's it, and that's all for this video. So make sure to subscribe and like if you liked the video and dislike if you disliked. I guess that's it. So I know I ended the video a second ago, but then I looked outside and, well, this sunset was too good to not include. So anyways, let me know what you guys thought of this camera and how does the image look. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.